Hi everyone.
Hello.
So how are all of you doing? So हमने कल अनाउंस किए थे अपने टॉप 20 एंड जो हमने हमारे जो 6th 7th और 8th विनर्स हैं उसके लिए उनके लिए हमने गिवअवेज प्लान किए हैं. So we're doing a kind of
Yes.
a haul video.
So we've ordered some stuff from local brands. यहीं पाकिस्तान के जो अपने local brands हैं जो कि मज़ेदार सी अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें बनाते हैं और हमने अभी तक कुछ भी नहीं खोला है. हम आपके सामने सारा कुछ खोलेंगे. By the way, this is unsponsored. तो हमने
Yes.
सोचा कि एक मतलब एक review type
Yeah,
आपके साथ
it's
share
honest
करेंगे.
review because all of these things we're opening for the first time, so this is all honest reviews. We have a cutter and we are
Nice.
going to start किस चीज़ से करना है?
Let's
start with the thing that that traveled the whole of Pakistan.
Actually ये हमने order किया था.
दिखाई दे रहा है इस तरह के.
GPCS
Look at all the cities that are written on it because it traveled the whole country.
यहाँ से हमने कोस्टर्स ऑर्डर किए थे. एक्चुअली इनका ये है कि शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वन, जो लेडी हैं, शी वॉज द फर्स्ट वन जिन्होंने हमारा ऑर्डर डिस्पैच किया था. बट एक छोटी सी मिस्टेक, उन्होंने इस्लामाबाद के बजाय उन्होंने लाहौर लिख दिया. सो ये पहले लाहौर गया, फिर वहाँ से, क्योंकि ये बेसिकली शी इज़ बेस्ड इन कराची, तो कराची से इन्होंने पहले लाहौर भेजा, वहाँ पे नहीं हुआ, फिर ये वापस आया, फिर ये इस्लामाबाद गया, इस्लामाबाद से फिर पिंडी आया. सो मतलब काफ़ी घूम घुमा कर पूरा पाकिस्तान घूम कर ये हमारे पास पहुंचा है. सो लेट्स ओपन इट.
So let's open this.
वी आर गोइंग टू टैग हर पेज.
इनका पेज का नाम क्या है?
GPCS स्टूडियो.
Yeah.
हम इनके पेज को टैग कर देंगे.
We have packing and another packing.
पैकिंग बहुत अच्छी है,
हाँ, true.
बड़ा सिक्योर करके उन्होंने भेजा है.
There you go.
सो लेट्स. वाओ,
Cute.
सो प्रिटी.
Okay, there's 3 of them, and we have kind of, because all of you rock. So we have kept kind of a neutral theme in our minds while ordering all of these gifts or giveaways. So let's see. So
ये
it's
वेरी
actually
क्यूट
really
और
good quality.
क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है.
Really good quality.
थैंक यू सो मच
Thank you
GPCS
so much.
क्रिएटिव
Yes.
स्टूडियो. थैंक यू सो मच.
Yes. So we're also going to tag all of the brands in the description down below. Unsponsored, by the way. Unsponsored or like not sponsored group. I don't know. It's not sponsored, I think.
Not safe
Let's
actually.
just, let's just keep it to that. Now the next thing we have is from
Oi pinned.
oh
Oi pinned.
Oilpind. Oilpind. You say it like that.
सो इनसे हमने पिन्स ऑर्डर की थी. लेट्स सी ये कैसी आती है.
Ooh, cute. I think because हम लोग we also from the creative field, so I think everyone, or should I say anyone from the creative field will appreciate this kind of stuff.
Wow,
Cuties.
these are so cute.
So there's this one which says Sanuki, right? So there's a key, and on top of it, Sanu likha hua hai, and it's really well thought, like well thought out,
Actually,
right?
हमने 3 ऑर्डर किए थे, तीनों बड़ी प्यारी हैं.
बहुत खूबसूरत है.
So
There
this
is
is
one that-
seen on
Yeah.
or off.
and the other one says Sone do yaro.
सोने दो.
Yeah, Sone do. So these are really
Very
cute.
nice.
I hope
Very
whoever
nice.
gets these likes
Cute.
these a lot, and it's called. This is the logo of their
We are also
brand.
going to, of course,
Yeah.
tag the page.
Yes. Pinned, right? Pinned.
Oi pinned.
Oil pinned. Yeah. Okay. This is so exciting.
Yes.
What else are we opening? Okay.
So, the candles.
Let's talk about these. These are, the candles that we really, really love. And
Yes.
this is, because I know this because we opened one of them, which is not a part of the giveaway.
I think this one, yes.
I think ये वाली मैंने खोली है because ribbon नहीं है इसपे. So they're really well packed. तो
ये हमने थिंकिंग क्राफ्टी थिंग से ऑर्डर किए हैं और द गर्ल वॉज वेरी काइंड. आई मस्ट से इतनी वो काइंड और इतनी वो सॉफ्ट स्पोकन सी थी एंड शी वाज काइंड इनफ टू यू नो, क्योंकि हमने दोबारा से ऑर्डर किया था और आई नो द सेकंड टाइम आई ऑर्डर उनकी तबीयत भी ठीक नहीं थी, शी वाज नॉट फीलिंग वेल, बट स्टिल शी मैनेज टू यू नो प्रिपेयर आवर ऑर्डर और उन्होंने टाइमली हमें ऑर्डर भी भेजा। तो और ये बहुत खूबसूरत है।
Very cute.
एक्चुअली ये कस्टमाइज कैंडल्स हैं, इसमें आप अपना प्रिंट भी आप अपना भी दे सकते हो, उनके उससे भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। अंदर जो वैक्स का कलर है वो भी कस्टमाइज्ड है, आप अपनी मर्जी से कर सकते हो। एक्चुअली दिस सेंट ऑल्सो, उनके पास काफ़ी सारी यू नो सेंट की ऑप्शंस थी। हमने तो लेवेंडर चूज़ की
This is
थी,
so pretty.
बट यू नो यू कैन चूज़ योर ओन।
It smells so well, so we gave her one of our own, like not one actually, 3 of our own printed prints
From a collection.
from a collection that's called Shanacht,
Yes.
and it's a thought-provoking kind of a collection. But she's made it like she's done justice to
Exactly.
all of them, and it smells really nice,
Yes.
guys. It smells really nice, honestly. Like
Actually, तो I also like the packing.
yes,
है ना?
it's really cute, and it's actually also really good quality. So you know, it's a I think a tin kind of a.
The ribbon says TCT, Thinking Crafty Things. Very nice.
So also going to tag her.
So thank you
again.
so much, Thinking Crafty Things. Thank you.
So again, we're going to tag her. So not sponsored. We have to say that because these are all honest reviews.
Yes.
So yes,
The
what
next
is that?
one is
Give me the letter.
we ordered 2 journals.
Ooh.
Very cool journals from Jild. What's the full name?
Jildi hai.
Jild. हम इनके पेज को भी you know.
I'm a fan. I keep going there. I keep looking through things.
बहुत cool stuff है. बहुत nice है. Let's see ये कैसे
एक
निकलेगा.
आप खोले मैं खोल दिया.
I think we need a cutter or a scissors.
I see it there. ये मैं खराब कटे नहीं है वैसे कुछ नहीं होता कर लेते हैं. We're going to repack them really nicely. We're going to try to do it nicely.
Wow.
I also want to open it.
This is so cool. This thing.
Oh, cool. Actually, we're not going to be able to bag it the same way. Ooh,
Oh.
nice.
Wow.
So pretty. खोलो इसको. यार ये मुझसे ये नहीं खुला अभी तक. हमने 2 डिफरेंट किए थे ना.
One more.
बहुत खूबसूरत है. Show it to them.
So this is how it is. मतलब इसके पूरे राउंड it's a string है and then when you open it तो ये बड़े मज़ेदार से इसके अंदर और
Something-
एक्चुअली तो इनके पेजेस बड़े
A
खूबसूरत
little
हैं.
bit wrong with this one though.
I think ये
Look. I think there's something wrong with this one.
oh
है ना?
yes it's pure leather actually.
Ah.
So maybe
But
that's
it's really cute.
very nice.
Really cute.
So blank pages हैं and a hard leather का cover.
And this is, real, like, pure joy for a creative, I think.
You can smell.
Oh, yes. You can smell the leather. You can smell the leather, yes.
Your-
So, yes.
Very cool.
This is really cute.
Very nice.
Thank you so much, Jill. And, the nice thing about them, I think these are the guys who said, okay, we can get something carved.
Those were the card holders one.
Oh, I see.
But
Okay,
actually,
that
I think
was
इनपे
good,
भी
yeah.
हो जाएगा.
And this, I love the detailing on the sides and all that, and how it's cut, and the 3 kind of turns it takes, and then it gets.
और बड़ा handy भी है.
Yup.
मतलब आप आराम से इसको carry भी कर सकते हैं.
Literally, na, joy, like literal pure joy for the
True.
creative,
True.
right? Now it's time for the biggest package. सारा कुछ clear कर दो. Okay. This we're very excited to open.
This package is from Tapestry. हमने यहाँ से cushions order किए थे. Wow.
It's so pretty. I want to keep one.
बाकी भी निकालें?
हाँ मैंने
इनकी जो इन्होंने ऊपर
So
किया है ना,
pretty.
it's very nice. तो इन्होंने golden ribbon के साथ
Yeah.
अपना tag लगाया है. Very nice.
Very elegant.
और बहुत
And
खूबसूरत है.
This one is like a lumber cushion, and I think these are 16 वाले ना, 16 by 16 है,
I think it's
है ना? And this third one, I love the print, and I
The
love the
colours.
color. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm so excited. मतलब मुझे इतना मजा आ रहा है इनको देख के and everything. I hope whoever gets all of this.
हाँ उनको भी अच्छे लगे हैं.
Yes,
है ना?
and 3 people who are going to get all of this, we're going to try कि अगर boys हों या girls हों तो उनमें हम किस तरह से distribute करें and everything. But yeah, this is so pretty. And there's little detailing on this also, like a little
एक tag
cutie
दिखा.
ribbon, yes, and then a tag. So yes, this is all we have. And so we have tried कि हम मतलब बहुत लंबी देर आपको बॉदर ना करें, and we have distributed all the giveaways into 2 videos.
Because इनके अलावा भी आप काफी और giveaways भी हैं.
Yeah. So there's a lot of other things. So what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 videos, one this, like all of this stuff, and we're going to have another video which is going to come out tomorrow.
Yes.
And it's going to have the other part of the giveaways.
Bilkul.
So stay in touch. We're really excited about all of
Yes.
this. It turned out really well.
बिल्कुल
Like
क्योंकि हमने आपके सामने अभी खोला है.
Yes.
इससे पहले हमने भी नहीं देखा.
candle के अलावा, to be very honest, because I couldn't resist. So we ordered this from the second order. We ordered some candles again. So from our second order, I opened one, and it smelled really nice. So I was very confident opening the candles. But thank you so much.
Thank you
to-
so much everyone
Yes.
जिन से हमने ये orders किए हैं. मतलब ये very बहुत अच्छा लगा है.
Yeah, the customer journey or the like the
Yes.
purchasing experience was really very good.
nice.
Yes. So thank you so much for that, and we're going to tag all of the pages down below if you guys want to get from the, things from them. Because guys, please shop local. There are so many talented people doing such amazing stuff in Pakistan. You really don't need to go out or hunt for something that's
Exactly.
not locally made or something like that, because all
Because
of the
everything is very good quality.
yes,
It's
finished
in
really
very good
nicely.
quality and
Exactly.
really good finish.
Yes, so finished really nicely. So that's a really good thing. And yeah, so see you in the next video. And bye bye.
Bye bye.
Awesome. अच्छी बन रही है.